Well, Coney, we just did a swap on Osmosis, but did you know there's actually a little bit quicker of a way to do that within Keplr itself?
I don't know if I did. Could you enlighten me a little bit, Emery? Show me the ways.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, why don't you go ahead and click on Keplr there.
All right, I'm going to go up to my little Keplr icon up here in the Chrome app kind of area. I don't even know what it's called. What is this area called? The Chrome app area.
I think that's your extension icon or something like that.
I love it. Well, I'm up in the Keplr extension. What do I do now?
Let's see if we can swap for Jackal again. So why don't you find the Jackal in your wallet and just go ahead and click on it.
All right, I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. I see my 5 Jackal that are on the Jackal chain. And then I also see my 2.5 Jackal that are still on the Osmosis chain. That's from our last tutorial. But yeah, I got my 5 Jackal right here on the native Jackal chain.
So go ahead and click on that.
All right.
And you see that swap button right there.
Oh, amazing. So easy.
Yeah, exactly. So you can swap right from Keplr instead of having to deposit it into Osmosis first. And you can see that little text up there. It's powered by Skip. They've managed to integrate it right into the wallet to make our lives a lot easier.
Amazing. Mm-hmm. All right, so this looks like a familiar kind of interface. What should we swap for?
You know, I think we're actually going to do something on Shade later. So why don't we swap for a little bit more secret than you have there?
Boom. How many Jackal should we trade for a little bit of secret? Should we just do half of these? 2.5?
Yeah, let's go with like 2.5 or so. That sounds good.
Wow, look at that. Almost 1-to-1 right now.
Just about. And it's just kind of calculating the most optimal routes right now. And once it figured it out, you just hit next.
Amazing. All right, and then we'll go ahead and approve this IBC transfer to move our Jackal between chains.
There you go, transaction success.
Amazing.
So you should have, what was that, almost 2 secret now?
Let's see. Oh, it's, maybe I'm still swapping
still going
here.
Yeah, so it'll say transaction success. That just means the transaction got pushed through. Just kind of gotta wait just a second for the UI to catch up. Shouldn't take very long.
There we go. Swap successful. And then it looks like it went from the Jackal blockchain to the Osmosis blockchain to the secret blockchain. I like that it gives me the little path. It lets me know where I've been.
Exactly, which is what you would have done anyway while going to Osmosis, but a little bit faster.
I love it. I love that convenience. I love it. And look at that. We got 2.79 secret.
Awesome. Nice job.
Amazing.